we'll go over how to use the earthquake cases story map. If you scroll down, you'll notice a very familiar map. It's the same map that we've seen before, with the blue dots representing earthquakes, the red triangles representing volcanoes, and the pink lines representing our plate boundaries. You'll notice there are 5 yellow dots on this map, each one of those representing a different earthquake case. As you scroll down, it will take you to the first site. Case 1 gives a lot of information about this earthquake, and you can click on this arrow to see more images. You can also click on the image itself to see a larger version of the image, and you can use the dots located at the bottom of the screen or the arrows on the side to toggle between images. To get rid of this image and to go back to your map, you can either just click on the screen or use the X in the corner. As you scroll down, you'll learn more about the case site, and at the very end of it, it will zap you to your second location. So here you'll see we've moved to case number 2. We can do the exact same things where we can click to see more of those images. We can of course make them larger, and we can click off of the image to see the map again. The map is still mobile and can be moved at any point. As you keep scrolling, it will take you to the next case site, and so on and so forth. If you choose to jump between case sites, you can either scroll or click on your screen, find the case site you would like, and click on the number. That will also take you to the new case. Finally, at the bottom, you will find the image credits. Have fun exploring these new case sites.